Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to fix failed to initialize Vulkan in Dota 2 so you can jump back into the game without running into that annoying error message. Step 1. First, launch the Steam application and click on Library from the top navigation menu. Locate Dota 2 in your game list, right-click on it, and select Properties. Now click on the Installed Files tab and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 2. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%. This checks your game for any corrupted or missing files and automatically replaces them. It's a quick fix that often resolves startup problems. Step 3. Once that's done, go to the General tab in the same Properties window. In the Launch Options box, type novid-console-dx11, exactly like that. This command forces the game to use DirectX 11 instead of Vulkan. Step 4. Close the Properties window and try launching Dota 2. If the error still shows up, right-click on Dota 2 again, click Manage, and select Browse Local Files. From there, double-click on the game folder, then on Bin, and then Win64. Step 5. Find the Dota 2 application, right-click on it, and choose Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check Disable Fullscreen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and try launching the game again. Step 6. If that still doesn't work, go back to the Properties window. Under Compatibility, enable Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and select Windows 8. If needed, try Windows 7 instead. Apply the settings and give it one more try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Dota 2 tutorials.